Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. This script focused on shape-based illustration methods. Begin with simple circle to represent a character head. Add ellipse for body and limbless. Use path and operations to merge shapes into human-like form. Add small shapes for facial features. Use the direction selection tool to adjust curves for natural form. Apply flat color fills for a cartoonish look. Add stroke to define character structure. Use clipping mask to insert clothing details. Now add small accent shapes for shoes and accessories. Now introduce shadows by duplicating and darkening shapes. Blur these shadows lightly to soften them. Group all elements into a character